He told me throw it back. So that's say no. Hey girls, hey YouTube. Today I am doing my first vlog. I can't believe it, but yeah, we're here. Sorry about the angle, it looks weird. I left my tripod in the house, and I'm not trying to look dumb in the car while I'm, you know what I'm saying, because I got the fish bowls. But anyways, today I'm going to get my nails done. They look atrocious. I took the tips off because I wanted to get a full set. I'm getting my feet done. I may get my eyebrows done, but I'm breaking out right now because I'm on my little cycle. And I don't know. I don't want to make it worse. So, yeah, I don't know if I'll be doing that. But, yeah, and I'm also getting my hair done. So, yeah. I'm excited because I'm getting all this done for my birthday dinner tomorrow. It's going to be me and my friends. My birthday was on the 23rd, which I think was Wednesday. But I'm going to have my dinner tomorrow, Saturday, because I wanted all my friends to be able to attend. You know, everybody works during the week. So, yeah. So I'm excited. So I'm just going to take you guys with me to get all that done. And hopefully this first vlog doesn't go to shit. Pray for me. Bye. See y'all at the nail salon. My appointment was at 3. It's now 2:54, and I'm about 15 minutes away. So, yeah.
Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on a block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they pulling out this line? Tired of busy calls, you can't even pay me enough to react. You ain't get up in the crib, sometimes I don't even know what I'm at. Please don't play that nigga's songs in this party, I can't even listen to it. Anytime that I'm running with somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty gon' sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a possible gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and know that I'm making it back. I know that they had the crib going crazy down bad. What they had, they didn't like that, baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
Hey guys, so I just left the nail salon where I get my feet done at, because I do go to 2 different shops to get my nails and my feet done. So yeah, I just got my feet done, my hair is done. I got me just a blowout. I was gonna go with a different style for my birthday, but I don't know, I couldn't find nobody to do what I want, so I just went and blowed my bob out. So that'll just have to do. I didn't get any footage of me getting my feet done. Dang, that's okay. I'm about to go get a sandwich from Wawa. I just stopped by the liquor store too and got me some wine. So me and my boyfriend probably just gonna chill tonight and watch a movie. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Target in the morning, so I'll bring you guys with me when I do that. But yeah, I'm tired, so talk to you tomorrow. Oop, why does it look like that? Okay, I don't know how long it's been unfocused, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Saturday. I'm about to get up and run to Target really quickly, and I also want to go to Ulta, and then there's these heels I want to go get, so I'm gonna run into the mall. I want these heels, these little mule heels, to go with my birthday outfit, which I'll show y'all later. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today while I run around again. Y'all, I really do not like my nails. Like, every time I look at them, I just sigh. Like, they're so wide. Like, I have really narrow fingers, and usually the way she does them, like, my nails are usually shorter and like more narrow, and they just look, I don't know, like more girly to me. But these are just really wide, and I already kind of have long hands, so I don't know. But yeah, my nail tech, she just went through something like really traumatic, so she's just a little bit off her game. I wasn't trying to stress her out more, so I just didn't say anything. Y'all, I'm one of those people who, like, if I don't like something, I rarely ever say anything, because I just don't like awkward confrontation. Is that bad? I need to work on that. But yeah, so that's that. So yeah, I will come back when I'm in Target, because I think I'm going to go to Target first. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to show y'all my little cute outfit. This is the tracksuit. It's the Body Collection by Raven Tracy. Yeah, I think that's her name, Raven Tracy. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it, and it's so comfortable. No, got me I got my faja on because I want to make sure, you know, my body is snatched for the dinner and for my little jumpsuit that I'll be wearing. So yeah, wait till y'all see that. But yeah, and they got your butt sitting. All right, bye. Y'all know what I just realized? I just left Target, and I was saying, like, I want to go get some Starbucks, but Target has a Starbucks. So I just wasted pointless gas. So yeah, but I'm in the Starbucks line right now because I'm struggling today. Like, I just want to close my eyes. So yeah, I'm about to get something to wake me up a little bit before I go into the mall. So yeah, and then I want the It's like a cinnamon dolce latte. Y'all have that here?
Cinnamon dolce latte? Yes,
Yeah.
we do. What size would you like that?
Can I get a grande? Just got lip gloss in my hair. I look so naked without my lashes. Like, I get my lashes done on the 15th. I've taken a break for quite some months, and I'm ready to have them back. Cause yeah, you know, I just want a little extra, you know what I mean? A little extra oomph. Thank you.
Cinnamon dolce with almond milk.
Thank you.
Double smoked bacon and red velvet loaf.
Thank you. And is it okay if I get a cup of ice?
Oh, a cup of ice?
Yeah,
Sure.
with the top.
You said a cup of ice?
Yes. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, I did that because I forgot to ask for ice, but I was too embarrassed to say anything. Yeah, I have a problem. So now I'm going to be drinking an iced latte out of one of these things. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I've been back home for about, I don't know, like an hour and a half now, and I just put on my outfit for tonight, and it's so cute, y'all. Like, I love it. So yeah, and I like the shoes with it, so let me show y'all. Go up close because you can't really see it. Y'all, so cute. This is the embellished jumpsuit from Post-salon. But yeah, y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. But yeah, I love it. I'm looking at it. But yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup. And then, yeah, I'm pretty much ready. I just got to go over my hair with the straightener or whatever. But, yeah. I love it. So cute. Hold on. Let me show y'all with the shoes. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So, this is what it looks like with the heels that I got from the mall that I had showed y'all. So, yeah. I think it's cute. And then I got a little silver bag to go with it. So, yeah. But yeah, this is it. What y'all think? He told me throw it back. So that's it's like no. All right, y'all. I'm about to do my makeup. So yeah. Bye. Hey y'all. So I'm ready. My outfit is on, and yeah, I'm gonna wear a fur coat with this, and then I'm just gonna wear my little mini silver telfar. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Yeah, so I will see you guys at the restaurant. I'm about to go pick up my friend and get some gas. So yeah, see y'all later.
Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go to the club with a soupe, she gon' do what the groups like a Brende. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now, analyze. What the money make, it elevate. Shanae, like she on the runway. It's the payday when she get the comfort. I'ma see the one tequila in the Bombay. Speeding in the corner, sack a one way. She won't hurt the bus, take her off a skirt. Put in work, put your name on the skirt. You diamond, get the working like the flirt. You can't put your face on the shirt. Never giving way since birth. My name Jose. It's a long line at the doorway. Serving taco, get up with the nacho. Fucking with a bad vibe, but she go both ways. Turn up the rack for the show days. I never ever see a bro day. Looking to the eyes of the go face.
What's that? Oh, egg roll? I love dressing that tastes like this.
Damn, little lady. You sure can't put it away.
What's that? Meatball. Oh. Thank you. Literally. Meatballs. Well, if you got Wagyu meatballs, why you gonna get a Wagyu steak? No, fatty. Relax. Hold on, try it.
It's not that bad. This is kind of good.
Y'all, these meatballs are so good.
So them meatballs good as shit.
Not really.
The salad good as shit.
It's so good. Let me get like a little tiny meatball.
I'm gonna just
If I can break it.
I know that.
This shit is good.
Give me one. What, that? I love it. Yes, thank you. That's how we eat our oysters at fancy restaurants. I don't like cocktails. Yeah. I don't like oyster bait. I don't like the texture. Let me get one, Jordan. I broke out in halves last time I ate it. For real? Are you allergic? You got halves every time you got oysters? I get them like every time. So are you like mini ones? So are you That's good. It's not, I'm not gonna die.
Yeah.
You allergic?
You was not allergic. That was that.
No, I get halves every time I eat it. Man, you need to chill. You know. But they just be like, and they happen like hours after. I'll be home by the time. Okay. It's not worth it. Did you already get a cheese? I was waiting. Give me that. What? Give me that. It's not real family. Make you horny.
This is Kansas' birthday.
Make you horny. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning. I'm so tired, but yeah. I really enjoyed my birthday dinner last night. It was really funny. My friends are crazy. But yeah, we ended up going to Del Frisco's. And yeah, the food was okay. I don't know if I would ever go back, but yeah, it was really fun. So, a successful night. Y'all, and my friend got me this perfume too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like I've been smelling it all morning. It smells so good. It's like really fruity. I don't think I really have any perfumes that's like this fruity, but it smells really good. It's called Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. It smells so good, and the bottle is so cute. It's like a porcelain kind of material, so it's nice and solid. It's really nice. But yeah, today I'll just be chilling in the house. I don't think I'm going anywhere. Probably just be chilling with my boyfriend and my son, and yeah, that's about it. Bye.